Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous Christmas. It is Monday, so it is time for personalized card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create triple stepper card step by step. I'm going to use absolutely fabulous collection from Relatively Thoughtful called Art Deco 1920s style, and I'm going to show you all the design papers included in the collection. I got this collection from Relatively Thoughtful printed and I absolutely love it. I think it is perfect for so many occasions, including birthday, anniversaries, weddings, masculine cards, whatever you name it. Yes, this collection is perfect. And if you're interested in this collection, I left the link in the description down below. I also left the link to Relatively Thoughtful Instagram, YouTube channel, but also Facebook group. And there is one more Facebook group called RT Create, Make and Share. So if you have any of the Relatively Thoughtful design papers and you create any project, you can actually share it there. And I do encourage you to do so, because from time to time you can get some free design papers from Relatively Thoughtful shop. And then if you create something, trust me, all the makers and all the crafters at the group are absolutely stunning, and they really encourage all the other crafters to make beautiful projects. So as you can see, this collection is super amazing with all those shapes, patterns and color variations. If you like Art Deco, this collection is definitely for you. I love this style a lot, and I really mean it a lot. So when I saw it, I really needed it in my life. I'm going to show you step by step how to score and cut 6 by 12 inches white card, and I'm going to use 300 GSM multi-purpose card. So I'm going to have 12 down and 6 inches across. First I'm going to score it at 6 inches, and I'm going to score it from 1 to 2 inches. So I'm going to divide this card into 1, 2, then 2, 4, and 4, 6 inches. I think this is the easiest way to do it. Now I'm going to go 1 inch up, so 7 inches from 2 to 4 inches across, 1 inch up, so 8 inches from 4 to 6 inches across. Now going down, I'm going to score from 2 to 6 inches across, and going 1 inch up, I'm going to do 4 inches from 2 to 4, 1 inch up, from 4 inches to 6 inches. And then we have to cut those two lines and the cut base will be complete. So I've got 12 by 6 inches, and I'm going to use my trimmer to actually use it to score all the lines and cut the last two lines. So I'm going to start with the 6 inches from 1 to 2 inches across. Then I'm going up 1 inch, which means I need to move it to 7 inches, and I'm going from 2 to 4 inches, and then I'm going to move up 1 inch again, and I'm going to score it from 4 to 6 inches. It really makes sense when you actually look at the paper on the right hand side. And if you want, you can actually take a screenshot of it, and then you can create your own cut base. Now I'm going to 3 inches, and I'm going to score it from 2 to 6 inches across. So this will be our first line. Then I'm going up 1 inch, and I'm going to score it from 2 to 4 inches across. 1 inch up, so it's 5 inches, and I'm going to score it from 4 to 6 inches. So we've got all the score lines ready. Now it is time to cut those two lines. So as you saw on the piece of paper, I had it on the right. The first line goes from 3 inches all the way to 7 inches. Super quick and easy. And with the second one, we have to move to 8 inches. But actually we have to go all the way to 3 inches, not 4. Here I just want to test it, and I wasn't really happy with the result because I couldn't actually fold all those score lines. So we have to go all the way up to 3 inches. And now when this is ready, it is time to fold all the lines. So we're going to have some mountains and valleys. As you can see, this cut base is pretty simple. So if you have never ever tried triple stepper card, I really hope you'll give it a go. I absolutely love fancy fold cards, so I really tried to use something new this time. And if you like this style, please let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I actually have created triple stepper card. If you have, I would really like to see your project, so please leave the link in the comments. Now it is time to decorate the card, and I'm going to use beautiful design paper from Art Deco 1920s style, and I think this will be perfect for absolutely amazing lady. But I'm also going to use some Kraft card for extra interest, and I really think this design paper works so well with Kraft card. If you agree, let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put all those elements together. Super quick and simple. However, with the bigger panel, I decided to embellish it first before I attach the design paper. And to do it, I'm going to use one of the ribbons from my stash I got for Christmas. So yes, you can use anything from your stash to decorate your cards, and I encourage you to have a look and experiment with whatever you've got. If you want to attach all those panels, I suggest that you actually put it flat on your surface. So now you can see the gold ribbon. And off camera, I also created a bow using the same ribbon for extra interest. And I wonder, how often do you add ribbons to your projects? Please let me know in the comments down below. I'm also going to use some double-sided tape just to hold the ribbon professionally adhered, and no one will ever know. Super quick and easy, and for me, this is the way to go when it comes to ribbon. But if you have better suggestion, let me know. I'm going to cut the ends off, and it is time to use the one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to adhere the panels together on a cut base. And I really like this magic glue because it is bookbinding glue, and it gives me that time to maneuver all those elements. And if you have your totally favorite glue for card making, please let me know. I would really like to know. When this is ready, I really like it so far, but at this point I thought something is missing. As it is personalized card, I'm going to add the name of the recipient, but first I'm going to add a bow. Of course, you can use hot glue if you want, but in this case I really wanted to try if my magic glue is going to hold it, and it actually did. But all I had to do is to put something flat and, let's say, heavy. And in this case, I'm going to use my phone on top. And actually, it worked really well. So now it is time to create the name of the recipient, and I use the cutting dies from Tonic Studio and gold mirror card. If you're interested in any of the products I use in today's video, you can check the description down below. And don't forget, I also left the link to Art Deco 1920s style design papers. So yes, you can check that collection as well. As you can see, this name is very short, so it is pretty simple to adhere on a card. And at this point, I thought I really like the gold Kraft, but also the design paper from Relatively Thoughtful. But is there something else I can add to make it even more special? So I'm going to use Timeless Butterflies from Craft's Companion. In the set, you've got, I think, 31 or 30 cutting dies, and as you can see, they all they come on a white sheet. But all I had to do is actually to use my alcohol marker, and I actually write the number of each butterfly, because on the die you also have the number that goes together with all the numbers next to each butterflies. So if you have the set, I encourage you to use black alcohol marker and write the numbers where the cutting dies are. That will really make a difference. So I chose those butterflies because I thought they would really match well with the design paper I chose for this card. If you agree, please let me know. I would also like to know, how often do you use butterflies in your projects? Maybe you have your totally favorite style for butterflies, and if you do, please share it in the comments so I know which one is your favorite. Because if you know me, I love butterflies. I've got quite a lot of dies and stamps with butterflies, but maybe you have your favorite, and I would really like to know which one is it. So as you can see, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put those elements together. Super quick and easy. And at this point, I thought something is still missing, so I'm going to use On Your Birthday. And I use Gold Central Pearl card from Kraft's Companion. And again, I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue. And this sentiment is in Polish because the recipient is Polish. So I thought, why not? Let's experiment with some names here and also the sentiments. Now I'm going to add the last green butterfly. And at this point, I thought I really like the gold bow, but I'm going to add some gold pearls just to finish off the card. And I use those in the corners. So I've got 3 at the very bottom and 3 in the corner. And the card is complete. Inside there is lots of space to write your message, but you can also write your message on the back. So the choice is absolutely yours. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. I'm going to take a short break and I will be with you in January with more videos. And I really want to wish you Happy New Year, and I really want all your wishes to come true in the new year. Have a wonderful day, happy crafting, and stay tuned for more videos.